Hello everyone, my name is Reema Jain. I hope you all are good. Today I am sharing my experience about jobcenter.in. Basically jobcenter.in is a free online training classes which is conducted by our facilitator Mr. Indrasin Pandey. After joining that platform, it is the icing on cake situation for me because without any single penny invest, I am learned lots of things like grooming session, how to interact with a stranger, how to communicate with a stranger, and how to crack the interview. But especially we are learned soft skill classes, personal development, and speaking English, and improve myself and my skills. Basically, in that platform, our facilitator helps to us come out from all our threats in our daily life, and I have improved myself. I feeling very honored to be and thankful for Indrasin sir because I am the part of that program. So guys, those who are not yet a part of that program, you can go for it, you can do it, and you can also a part of jobcenter.in. So guys, thank you for listening me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Soni. So today I want to share something about Job Center. What I have learned and experienced from Job Center. Firstly, this course is conducted by Mr. Indrasin Pandey sir, and he did a really great job. From Job Center, we learn and we gain so many new things and knowledge from this platform. It is basically soft skill training and English learning classes. We are perform new kinds of activities like group discussion, debate, conversation, and many more things. So now I want to share something else about this course, like how to overcome our fear while speaking English in any public area. Like मुझे बहुत हेजिटेशन होती थी किसी भी पब्लिक गैदरिंग में जाने में और स्पीक इन इंग्लिश में बात करने में बोलने में. लाइक आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस क्लास मैंने बहुत सारी न्यू चीज़ें सीखी और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आया बिकॉज ऑफ माई ट्रेनर. और उन्होंने बहुत ही पॉजिटिव वे में हम सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताया कि कैसे कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करना चाहिए किसी भी पब्लिक एरिया में, किसी भी पब्लिक गैदरिंग में बिना हेजिटेट हुए. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो कम टू नो हाउ कैन आई गिव अ confident interview and how can I answer all the tough questions in the front of interviewer. So I have learned from this course, and I have also learned how to keep my personality positive and how can I make a effective resume. like मुझे resume के बारे में कोई बहुत ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं था, लेकिन मैंने इस क्लास के बाद इफ़ेक्टिव रिज्यूमे कैसे बनता है, कैसे अपने स्किल्स को, अपने स्ट्रेंथ को कैसे शोकेस करना चाहिए, वो हमारे ट्रेनर ने बताया. और मुझे इस क्लास करने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस आया मेरी पर्सनैलिटी में. So especially thanks to my trainer. So thank you so much sir, you made us for this amazing platform. And I am so proud to be a part of Job Center family. So friends, keep watching, keep supporting, and keep sharing Job Center. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Reena Jain. I hope you all are today great. Today I'm sharing my experience about jobcenter.in. Before sharing my experience, I told what is jobcenter.in. Jobcenter.in is a free online spoken English, soft skill and IT program which is conducted by our facilitator Mr. Indrasin Pandey and Mr. Ramesh Singh. Talking about this program, we are learn how to handle negative people, how to speak English frequently, how to negotiate our professional life, how to work our gesture and posture, etc. In this program, my experience was very good because I affair talk to unknown person. I could not speak English very well. I could not handle the negative people. For this, I did join the spoken English class, but my fear remaining that same. Since after I joined this program, I handle the negative people. I have no fear in the performing the stage. I also talk to speak unknown person and also speak English frequently. So guys, the jobcenter.in polished my skill and convert the talent. I would like to get more to more candidate, connect this program and polish our skill. And I want to thanks a million my facilitator Mr. Indrasin Pandey. They made me a part of this program. Thank you.